Today I want to share with you how I consume chocolate every single day and still release weight, body fat, and increase my energy, and why this is so good for me and how you can do this too. So I have 3 of my favorite ways that I consume cacao bliss and chocolate every single day, and I'm going to share them with you. These are the quickest, fastest ways. Right now I'm mixing up some fudge cacao bliss fudge balls. I'm going to add a little bit more powder to them, make them into a ball, put them in the freezer, and they are for me to just grab when I'm wanting something sweet or I just need a snack and energy throughout the day. My second way of consuming chocolate is with my cacao bliss peanut butter cups. These are less than 1 gram of sugar per serving. So delicious. They're super healthy for you. You can feed these to your kids and be like, oh my gosh, I'm giving them nutrients and superfoods, and they don't even know it. And these only take 5 ingredients to make. Super simple, you're not baking them. And then my third way is through healthy hot chocolate. Now I do this at night. It's a way for me to bring down. It actually helps with my sleeping, and it tastes so delicious. And like I said, every one of these is less than 1 gram of sugar per serving. It's loaded with superfoods. I'm using cacao bliss, which is raw cacao infused with 7 superfoods. So you can't find this anywhere else. I can't wait for you to get your hands on it. Go ahead and click up above or below to learn more about this, plus get one of these amazing recipes absolutely free on me. And clicking subscribe will let you be notified when my next video is out. I'm sending you so much love, and I cannot wait for you to try your cacao bliss as well.